Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this green triangle ABC along with this median BD, as you can see in this diagram, such that this segment AD is equal to this segment CD, and this angle ADB is 135 degrees, and moreover this side length AB is 21 units. Whereas this other side length BC is 14 units. And now our task is to calculate the area of this green triangle ABC. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. We know that these two segments are equal in length. Let me label this AD segment as X and this CD X as well. And now we are going to think outside the box and going to draw some auxiliary lines. As you can see in this next step, I have extended this line AC all the way to this point E. And then this point B and E are connected. And this angle BEC is our 90-degree angle. And now I'm going to label this side length CE as Y units. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this whole straight angle is 180 degrees. And this angle is 135. Therefore, this angle BDC is going to be 45 degrees. And now let's focus on this big triangle BED. We know this angle is 45 degrees. This angle is 90 degrees. So therefore, this angle EBD is going to be 45 degrees as well. And since both of these angles are 45 degrees, so therefore this is an isosceles triangle. In other words, this side length ED is going to be equal to this side length EB, and we know our this side length ED is X plus Y. So therefore this side length BE is going to be X plus Y as well. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area equals to a half times the base times height. And in our case, the base of this green triangle is going to be X plus X is going to become 2 times X. And the height of this green triangle is X plus Y. So therefore, the area of this green triangle is going to be, I'm going to fill in the blanks in this formula. We got 1 divided by 2 times our base is 2 times X. And our height is X plus Y. And we can see this 2 and 1 divided by 2, they cancel each other out. And if we distribute X, we are going to get equals to X square plus X times Y. So therefore, the area of this green triangle is going to be equal to X square plus X times Y. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this right triangle BEC. And we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle. And here's our Pythagorean theorem. A square plus B square equal to C square. In our case, our longest leg, the hypotenuse is 14. And other two legs are Y and X plus Y. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this formula. So Y square plus X plus Y whole square equals to 14 whole square. And now let's recall this famous identity. A plus B whole square could be written as A square plus 2AB plus B square. We are going to apply it on this binomial. So therefore, our left hand side is going to be Y square plus X square plus 2 times XY plus Y square equals to 196. Now let's combine the like terms. So we are going to have x square plus 2y square plus 2 times xy equal to 196. Let me label this one as our equation number 1. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this big triangle AEB. We know this whole side length of this triangle is going to be x plus y. That is going to give us 2x plus y. And now we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle as well. And here's our Pythagorean theorem once again. A square plus b square equal to c square. In our case, our hypotenuse is 21 and other two side lengths are 2x plus y and x plus y. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this formula. So I'm going to write down x plus y whole square plus likewise 2x plus y whole square is going to be equal to 21 square. And now let's recall this identity once again. A plus b whole square could be written a square plus 2ab plus b square. We are going to apply it on both binomials on the left hand side. So therefore we are going to have x square plus 2 times xy plus y square plus likewise 4x square plus 4 times xy plus y square equals to 441. And now let's combine the like terms. So therefore we are going to have 5x square plus 2 times y square, and then finally plus 6 times xy equals to 441. Let me label this as our equation number 2. And now we are ended up with these equations 1 and 2. Now we are going to subtract equation 1 from second equation. So therefore we are going to change the sign to negative across the board. So therefore we are going to get 4x square, and this 2y square and negative 2y square is gone. And this next one is going to give us plus 4 times xy equals to 245. And now we are going to divide by 4 each and every term across the board. So the left hand side has become x square plus x times y, and if we put in a decimal form, this is going to be equal to 61.25. So therefore we can see that our x square plus x times y value turns out to be 61.25. And now let's make an observation. We know that the green triangle area is x square plus x times y. And here we figured out the value of x square plus x times y equal to 61.25. So therefore the area of this green triangle ABC is going to be 61.25 square units. So thus the area of this green triangle ABC turns out to be 61.25 square units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.